Chalo, sir. So again, very good afternoon to everyone. I hope I'm audible as well as visible. I hope you guys can see me, hear me clearly. Just a quick confirmation, please, before I start. Just a quick confirmation, please, before I start, sir. I hope I'm audible, visible. Just a second. Just give me a second. There is a little. Just a second. ये क्या दिक्कत हो गया? Acha. Yes, Varshita, Apurvo, Ishani, everyone, very good afternoon. There is a little problem. The YouTube session is not showing up. I don't know what happened. So there is a little problem. Okay, no worries. Chalo, let's do it. Like we'll check on it. I've dropped a message. Let's see what happens. Acha. Sir, first things first. We'll start with circles. We will start with circles, right? Now, circle, again, if you compare all the geometry topics, okay, circle is the most important. It is most important topic, most number of questions you get from here only. Okay, so this is one of the most important parts, so we have to do it properly. Now, sir, let's start. So circles has generally three parts, this chapter. So first we'll do chord based properties, then we'll move to angle based properties, then we'll move to the tangent based properties, tangent and secant. But please understand, apart from all this as well, so there are multiple circles based questions also, multiple circles. Now this is kind of very similar to tangent based, but again, I classify it in a different chapter or different topic altogether. So these things we need to do, sir. So naturally we will start from chord based properties. Sir, let's start. Let's start, sir. Very simple. So let's say there is a circle. There is a circle like this. So sorry. And this is a chord, sir. This is a chord of a circle. Chord meaning, sir, a line that intersects in 2 points. Okay, secant starts from outside, chord is inside. Sir, over here, the first property says, sir, if you drop a perpendicular on this, if this is 90 degree and the chord is AB and this is O and let's say this is C. So this will bisect this particular chord, sir, meaning I can conclude AC is equal to BC. Given that OC is perpendicular to AB. Given that OC and AB, they are perpendicular to each other. This is your first property. Now you generally prove it. So how? Again, I'll just show you one proof. I cannot show you every proof, right? That's impossible. So if I just join these two, sir, so these two triangles that we are getting, that AOC and BOC, they are going to be congruent, and from there we can prove it. Right? Now, please understand, the converse is also true, sir. The converse, this is also true. Meaning, sir? Meaning, if this is given, if there is a line from the center which is bisecting the chord, I can say this is 100% has to be the perpendicular. The angle must be 90 degrees. So bisect is also true, sir. Clear, everyone? So this is true in both ways. Front to back to front, everything. Clear, everyone? Just a quick yes or no. Just a quick yes or no, please. I got a reply. Just a second. Is it clear, everyone? Clear now? So there is some issue going on and we are trying to resolve it. This. Just a second. Give me just 1 second, sir. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Sir, now the next part. Next part. Sir, next property you can see, sir, if this is a circle, let's say, and there are two intersecting chords. One chord is like this, for example, and let's say the other chord looks something like this. Sir, I can name them. AB is one chord and CD, let's say, is other chord, and this is P, the intersecting point. So we can say what? We can say AP into BP, sir. There are two parts to this chord, AP into AP and BP, they multiply them. Will always be equal to CP into DP. It does not depend. It does not depend on the size of the chords. Again, any intersecting point, you can write this. Clear? Now again, how this can be proved? Just join AC and BD, you will get two triangles. These two triangles will be what? These two triangles will be similar. So from similarity, we get this. Clear, everyone? So these two are very important. Another point that I want to make. So please understand, let's say there is another circle like this. Let's say there is another circle like this. So please understand, if this is one chord and this is another chord, sir, they might not be equal. They might not be equal, sir. Okay? But what you do, sir, if you drop it here, sir, if they are equal, if I say, let's say this is AB and this is CD, if they are equal, sir, then they have to be equidistant from the center. Meaning, if I name it O, this is M and this is N. If AB equal to CD, then OM must be equal to ON. But remember, reverse is also true, sir. Reverse is also true. If ON equal to ON, then also I can conclude that AB is equal to CD, sir. Then AB will be equal to CD, sir. I guess now it's okay. Ruko, I'm checking whether the YouTube stream has started or not. Yeah, it has started. It has started. Chalo. Chalo, good. Clear this much. This much clear, sir? So we have understood three properties. Actually, there are two properties here, two properties here, one property here. Total 5 properties. Clear? Let's solve a few questions because questions are going to be a little different. Sir, first is a question from CGL 2023. 14 centimeter long chord is 24 centimeter from the center of the circle. Find the length of the radius. Again, very simple question. Keep it simple. So this is given, and I am making it by hand only. So let's say this is your circle chord, right? 14 centimeter long chord, 24 centimeter from the center. So this is 24 centimeters, sir. Right? Now what they are saying, this is 24. Now they are saying, sir, what is the radius? Length of the radius. So length of the radius, if I take it as r, acha sir, this is 90 degree, right? Because distance meaning it's always perpendicular distance. Total is, sir, 14 centimeter. So this must be 7, can I say? Can I say, sir, this must be 7, sir? Because that was our first property, sir, it will always be half. So if this is 7 and this is 24, na, sir? So this must be how much r equal to? R must be equal to 25 centimeter. It's a Pythagorean triplet. We all know, sir. Or if you want, you can. Yes, hi, how are you? I cannot read your name properly. So this is your 24, like 25. Done, sir? Done? Next one, please, sir. Again, that was a very basic question. Real questions are these. Read the question first. Read it first, sir. Everyone, read it for a second. Very, very, very quickly, read it for a second. PQ and RS are two parallel chords. This chords are on the opposite side of the center. This is very important because it can be towards the same side of the center as well. So we need to be careful. So I'm making the diagram a little bigger side, on the little bigger side. Sir, one chord is 48, another is 40. So 48 while I'm drawing here. And sir, the 40 will be like this. Let's say. Now one more thing, sir. They are asking radius, but again something around this is given, I guess. Arey yaar, ye nahi. Right. Chalo, done. Now, sir, always it's better if you join these two. Sir, center will be on this only. Center will be on this only, sir. Everyone agrees? Sir, center will be somewhere around here. This is O, sir, center point. Now, this is 48, meaning this much will be 24, sir. Half. And this is 40, meaning this much will be 20 centimeters, sir. This is clear, everyone. Now they are asking chords are this distance between them is 22 centimeter, meaning this is 22 centimeters. Now they are asking what is the radius. Radius meaning, sir? Radius meaning, sir, what is this two lengths? Clear, everyone? This is what you need to find. Now there are multiple ways of finding this. The most traditional way will be, sir, take anything as x. This part I am taking as x. So this is r and this is also r. Both are r's, radius of the same circle. So from the top triangle, r square value will be how much, sir? R square will be x square plus 20 square. X square plus 20 square, sir. Now, if total is 22 and this is x, so can I say this much will be 22 minus x, sir? So from this bottom triangle, sir, the r square value will be 22 minus x square plus 24 square. 22 minus x whole square plus 24 square, sir. Now, both are equal to r square. I can calculate the value of x from here. So, let's calculate that. So, first is x square plus 400 is equal to 22 square is 484 plus x square plus minus 44x plus this is 24 square is this Sir, this is a pseudo quadratic equation. Looks like a quadratic, but x square cancels. So from there you will say, sir, 44x. Acha, this is 84. 44x is equal to 576 plus 84. 750, 60, sir. 506, sorry, 660, sir. 660. 22 twos, 22 threes are this. So 2 15s are this. So I'm getting x is equal to 15, sir. X is equal to 15. Now they are not asking x value, they are asking radius. Radius how to find, sir? Sir, all these are radius. So this is 15 square plus 20 square is r square, sir. I've just put the value in this equation. So if you do that, r will be, sir, 25. R will be nothing but 25, which is option number 1. Which is option number 1. Mensuration 2D is there. Yes, everything is there, brother. Every chapter is there. 2D, 3D, everything. Now, this is the most conventional way and the most foolproof way of solving this. But sir, there are shortcuts as well. Now, the more you think, the more shortcuts you get at this. For example, once I've seen 24 is there, 20 is there, and all my options are integers, meaning everything is an integer. So meaning what I'm thinking, 20 and 24, if I take 25, I have to take something bigger because we are finding, in both cases, we are finding what? The radius. Radius is the hypotenuse in the triangle. So it will be greater than 20 as well as 24. So there is only one, or I can say one particular like number, which forms a triplet with 24 as well as 20. That is 25. So once you have that idea, you can cross check. If it is 25, this is 20, this must be 15. And so remaining, this must be, sir, 22 minus 15, 7. 7, 24, again, sir, that other triplet is 25. So it's matching if I put 25 here. So if you can think like this without really solving everything, you can get to the answer very quickly. And again, I will always suggest for you to think. But again, not everybody is comfortable thinking like that. That is the reason I've shown you the entire thing. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone, sir? 100% clear this? No problem at all? Simple question. Sir, if it is clear, then let's do this. A, B, this. Chalo, let's see. I guess this is easier. Let's see, sir, how easy it is. Sir, in a circle of diameter this, chord ABCD is this, BC is the diameter, sir, you see. Sir, looks like a diameter. ठीक ठाक है, sir. Now they are saying two parallel chords are there. One is this, or rather, let's use some different color. And another one is this. Clear, sir? So what they are saying, this is BC, sir, diameter. So this is AB and this is CD, sir. AB and CD are parallel to each other. These two are parallel to each other. Now they are saying BC is the diameter. BC is the diameter. AB is 6 centimeter from the center of the circle. Okay, sir. So 6 centimeter from the center. Sir, it is like this. It is like this, sir. This is, let's say, center. This is, let's say, M. They are saying, what is the length of chord CD they are asking. Achha, sir, first things first. I need to figure out this. This is given as 6 centimeters. And diameter is 20, meaning this is 10, sir. Please understand. OB then is the radius, that is 10. So from there, I need to find the value of CD, sir. I need to find the value of CD, sir. Can anyone tell me how to do that? Can anybody tell me how to do that, sir? I've given you this. One is 10, one part is 10, another part is 6. Another part is 6. How to do this, sir? Sir, please understand from here, very evidently I can say, sir, AB must be equal to CD, sir, because this is diameter. Now, if you want to prove it, sir, you can draw the other diagonal as well, or you can extend this as well. Everything works. Because if you extend this, for example, so this triangle and this triangle will be congruent. Or rather, if you say, no, no, sir, I'll not do this, I'll rather do this, then also this whole triangle AOB and COD, they will be congruent. So either way you can say, sir, both the rate, like both this particular chords are always equal to each other. Now, if that is the case, sir, this is 6, this is 10. So this much must be, sir, 8. So total must be, sir, 16. So total is 16, meaning AB is 16. So CD will also be equal to AB, which is equal to 16 centimeters, sir. Sir, option number 4 is your correct answer. Option number 4 most definitely is your correct answer. Clear, everyone, sir? Again, not a difficult question. Next one, please. I will give this to you guys. Achha, this is as homework I'm giving. Same question, actually. Let's see if I have another one. What is the minimum distance? Yeah, please do this, sir. Please do this, sir. Everyone, give it a try first. Give it a try first, everyone. I need the answers. I need the answers. I forgot to wear my watch today. कितना बजा है? अच्छा, only half an hour we have done. चलो ठीक है. चलो 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 चलो. Answers. अच्छा, sound became a little better now. Can anyone tell me? Sound was okay or it just became a little better now? Any answers? Aviral has given me answer as 5 centimeter. Acha, just a thing, the sound became a little better now, everyone. I forgot to turn on the like noise cancellation. पता नहीं, भूल गए थे हम. A chord of length this much is drawn in a circle having diameter this. Okay. What is the minimum distance of the other parallel chord of length this in the same circle from 40 centimeter long chord? Minimum distance meaning, sir, both the chords are in same side of the center, because they are asking minimum distance. If it was opposite side, then it would have given us the maximum distance. So I'll draw it like accordingly. I will draw it accordingly, sir. So what I'll do, sir? 40 centimeter is drawn in a circle having diameter this. So this is the first one, 40 centimeter. Achha, diameter is 50, meaning radius will be, achha, let me just draw like this. So this is the other chord, and so diameter, I'll draw it like this, and sir, I'll draw it like this. So all the right angle triangles I have completed. Now this is 40, meaning this is 20, sir. This much. Now the diameter is 50, meaning, sir, these are 25 all. 25. This is also 25, because both are radius. Now the other chord is 30, meaning, sir, this part is 15 only, sir. Right? Now they are asking what is the minimum distance, meaning what is this distance? They are asking what is this distance, sir. Right? Chalo, let's see, sir. Let's see, sir. First things first. Sir, if this is, take the upper triangle or rather AB, this is CD, this is MN, if I name it. Sir, what is the length of OM, sir? This much. OM will be how much, anyone? OM is going to be how much, sir? OM is going to be, you see, 25 here, 20 here. So the other triplet must be, sir, how much? Other triplet must be, sir, 15. So this is 15. Now, sir, again, come to the bigger side. Sir, this is 15 here and this is 25 here. So this whole thing, sir, this whole thing must be 20 using the Pythagorean triplet. So whole thing is 20, minimum is 15. So this much has to be 20 minus 15, which is 5 centimeters. That will be your correct answer. That must be your correct answer, sir. Not 15, brothers, it will be 5. Clear, everybody? Clear, everybody? Again, you see, no rocket science involved here. Nothing very difficult about this. Simple, simple stuff, sir. Very, very simple stuff we are doing. Now, next one, please, sir. Again, another property. So two chords are intersecting at a point inside the circle. Meaning, sir, there I had discussed one property with all of you guys. Acha. So two chords, AB and CD. Acha. Of a circle intersect at a point P inside the circle. Chalo. AB is 7, CP is 2. CP meaning this side is 2, sir. AP is 4, sir. So total is 7, this is 4, meaning this is 3. And they are asking CD value. Acha, CD value before I figure out, let's figure out DP. Sir, how to calculate? Sir, we all know AP into BP is equal to CP into DP. Sir, calculate this. 4 into 3, 2 into X. X is equal to 6. So this is 6 centimeter. So CD will be how much, sir? 2 plus 6, which is 8 centimeters, sir, which is option number 2. Naresh, gadbar ho gaya bhai. Naresh, make sure. So this answer comes out to be 8 centimeters, sir. Is this clear, everyone? Is this clear? Again, you see, questions based on simple properties. You know the properties, you can identify which property to use, just apply that, you will get your answer. That's all there is. CGL, like kind of geometry is not very difficult, or like they will ask you some alien level questions. Very basic questions they ask. All you need to do is to understand the property, remember it, and definitely understand which property to use in which question. That's all. Clear, sir? Next one, please, sir. भूल गया कहाँ गया next question. Sir, acha, before I go to next question, let me give you the angle-based properties, sir. Sir, angle-based, there are predominantly 3 properties. So first one being, sir, the most important one. The remaining 2 are the corollaries actually. Sir, angle-based properties are saying, sir, if let's say this is your center, let's say this is your center, sir, and you have taken an arc in the arc which makes a certain angle in the center. Sir, if you draw or if you take a point on the circumference and join this with the arc, sir, kind of like this. So they are saying whatever angle you will make over here, the angle made on the circumference, Sir, angle made on the center will always be double, or the central angle will always be double of this angle. Right? Again, all of these we have learned in our schools. I'm just giving you a quick recap. So this is, whatever is this angle, same is this angle. It doesn't matter where this point is. Meaning, if I want, sir, I can take the point here as well. Then also, if this is 2 theta, this will be theta, sir. If I want, I can take the point here as well. This will also be theta, sir. Everyone, you guys are getting my point? So it does not depend where is this particular point on the circumference. Anywhere it is, if it is on circumference, it will be half of the central angle. A central angle will be double, whatever you want to call it. Now, please understand, sir. Please understand, sir. If this is theta and 2 theta, please understand. So if this is the arc, sir, let me take another color. If this is your arc, sir, and you see this is an angle made on the circumference on this arc. This is another angle made on the circumference on this arc. This is another angle made on the circumference on this arc. Sir, all three angles are always equal. So meaning, as long as your arc is the same, so any angle you make on circumference, they will always be equal to each other. That's your second property. That is your second property, sir. And the third one is, sir, let's take something like this. ये ऐसे तो नहीं होगा, sir. Sir, can you see this? Automatically, sir, if you take a semicircular angle, meaning this is what? This is your diameter. So they are saying, if this is diameter, so this is half circle, semicircle, this angle will always be 90 degrees. Sir. Now, why is that? Please understand, this is the arc in that case. This is the arc in that case. So this angle, the central angle is 180 degree, the straight line. So the angle made on the circumference will be half of that using this property. So half of 180 is 90. So we call it semicircular angles are always right angles, 90 degree. That's your second property, sir. Or third property, I should rather say. So these are the three properties of circles, angle-based properties. So based on that, we have to solve a few questions. Please see this, the first question. A, B, C are 3 points on a circle such that angle subtended by this center given. Chalo, let's see. Sir, what they have given us, I'm drawing it by hand only. ABC points, AB and AC. Sir, AB is, let's say, this one. AC is, let's say, this one. Right? So they have made some angles. So this is your A, B, and AC. Now center is O. Center is somewhere here, O. So they are saying, कि भाई देखो, sir, AB and AC. So if you join this, sir, what they are saying? They are saying this angle by AB is 110 degrees. अरे यार. This angle is 110 degree. This angle is 130 degree. Can anyone tell me then what is this angle? Because they are asking angle BAC, meaning this angle value. So can anyone tell me what will be the value? What will be the value for angle B? This is O, BOC. Sir, BOC will say sir, total 360 degree. From there you subtract 110 degrees and 130 degrees. Correct? So 240 gone. So 120 degrees remaining. So this angle is 120 degree. Sir, whatever is the central angle on this arc, sir. Whatever is central angle, this will be half of that. So this will be 60 degree, half of 120. Option number 3, sir. Option number 3, sir. Sorry, option number 2, my mistake. Why 3? Option number 2, sir. Very, 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 very simple. Very simple question. Right? Clear, everyone, sir? Very simple, clear. Let's do the next one, please. Acha. You guys, please do this. I'm giving you a minute's time. I'm giving you a minute's time. Please solve. Please solve this, sir. Jaldi. Very, very quickly. Please solve. Done, sir. Answers. Akshay is saying, Acha, yes, okay, perfect. Sir, no answers, then I have gotten 120, I've gotten 2, but 120 is not part of this. No answers here then. In a circle with center O, chords this meet at T when produced. PR and QS. PQ is diameter. It's a tricky drawing, sir. Sir. PR and, Acha, sir, first of all, you draw PQ. This is your PQ. PR and QS. Okay, एक second. This is P. Q. Got it. Sir, QS will be like this. First of all, do it like this. Ruko, sir. It looks very bad. This looks ठीक-ठाक. This now looks ठीक-ठाक. Sir, PQ is this. Sorry. PR is this, sir. Q is this. S is this. Q is this and S is this. Please understand. I told you this will be a little tricky. Sir, P, Q, R, and this is S, sir. R, O, S is given. So O is the center. So this angle is given to you as 40 degrees, sir. Sorry, 42 degrees, sir. They are asking what is PTQ. P, this is T and this is Q, meaning this angle, sir. They are asking you to find the value of that angle. Achha, sir, how can we do this? How can we do this, sir? First things first, right? There are different ways of doing this. Let me take the help of this. So what I'm doing, let's join RQ. Let us join RQ, sir. Now, why is that? Sir, if I join RQ, first things first, this angle is 90 degrees, sir. Clear? Angle PRQ is 90 degree. So this side is also QRT, that is also 90 degree. Now this angle is very easy to find. Why? Sir, you see on this arc, I'm using another color. Sir, on this arc, RS, this is central angle and this is angle made on the circumference. So this will be half of this. Now take this triangle, angle QRT. In this triangle, sir, one angle is 90 degree, another angle is 21. So angle PTQ, the third angle, will be 180 degree minus 90 degree minus 21 degree. So this gives you 69 degrees if I'm not wrong. Sir, option number this. एक second, 90, 20, sir, 70, yes, 69 degrees. Is this clear, everyone? A little tricky in this case. Clear, everybody? A quick yes or no, please, if it is clear, sir. If this is clear, then tell me a very, very, very quick yes or no. Everybody, a very, very, very quick yes or no, please. Is this clear? Batao, take your time, no hurries here. Take your time, sir. Akshay, definitely I'll repeat. Apurvo, yeah, I'll definitely repeat, brother. Chalo, no worries. Chalo, no worries. Sir, acha, chalo, I'm then making the diagram once more. I guess then it will be clearer. Sir, because the main reason you are struggling, you guys are struggling to understand. Arey yaar. Is because of the diagram, the nature of the diagram. It's very congested, right? Sir, they are saying this is what it is. They are saying this is P, sir. This is Q. This is R. This is S. And this is T, sir. Now they are saying, sir, ROS. O is the center. This is your center, sir. This angle is 42 degrees. Now, please understand what I did. I just joined QR. You could have joined PS as well. Both are okay. Okay? Can't point B in the inside the circle? No, brother. Why? Please understand. When produced, there is a line. Produced word means it is kind of extended. The synonym of this will be extended. You are getting my point? You are getting my point, brother? Clear, everyone? Achha, these are actually like very mathematical terminologies, nothing else. Once you solve a few questions, you get the hang of it. Now, think, sir. So if this is 42 degree, this is 21 degree, everyone? Agrees? Sir, central angle made on circumference. On this arc, sir. On the arc, RS, this arc. Now, and this is 90 degree. This is 90 degree, meaning this is also 90 degree. Now take this small triangle, QRT. So here 90 degree and 21 degree gone. So the other angle must be 180 minus this 2. So that gives you 69 degrees. That is how I have calculated. Clear? Absolutely clear. Everyone who asked me to repeat, anyone having doubts, again ask me, I'll again explain. Again explain, sir. Got it now? Shiva, I guess you also understood. Why T cannot be inside the circle, brother? Everybody else, somebody called BB, again, I don't know your name. Akshay, clear? Quick yes or no, please. Akshay is saying clear. BB, I don't know, brother or sister, your name. So, I cannot confirm with you guys. Achha, next one, please. This is a CGL 2022 question. Very simple, actually. Looks very weird. Intentionally, this has been done. Sir, what is BDC? Meaning they are asking you to find this angle, sir. BDC. BDC, sir. एक second देखो. Sir, if this is 81 degree and this is 9 degree, this angle you can figure out. 81, 9, so this must be 90 degrees, sir. And whatever is this angle must be the same. So it has to be 90 degree only. So option 2 is the answer. 10-second question, this one. It's a 10-second question, sir. Very, very, very simple. Now, what they have done, they have intentionally made the diagram in such a way that it doesn't look like 90 to confuse you. That's all. To just confuse you. Otherwise, there is nothing wrong with this question. Very, very simple. Sir, next one, please. Acha, we'll do this. First, now, let's do a couple of calculation based. So this is a question. Can anyone tell me what is this? Measure of PSR, meaning they are asking us the measure of this angle. How can we do this? How can we do this? Again, everything it is written, this is given, PQ is the diameter, that's also given. Sir, how can we do this, sir? It's a 10-second question. If you ask me, I have also already got my answer just by looking. Yeah, Apurva has also answered. Anshu has also answered. Please understand, there is nothing required. If this is 100 degree, this is 80 degree, na sir? Everyone. Because total is 180 degree, one straight line. So if this is 80 degree on this particular arc, this is central angle, this is angle on the circumference. So this will be half of 80, which is 40 degree. That is my correct answer. Again, I'm telling you, everyone, this circle angle based properties are all about setting up the eye. You see, everything is right in front of you guys. But again, many of you have not been able to observe this. Few have, few haven't. Again, I'm not saying that's bad or something, or that's good or something. Please understand, it's all about setting up the eye. So the better you get at this chapter, these things will caught your eye, or like will catch your eye, right? But again, if you don't practice enough, these things will never catch your eyes. You will always struggle to find, where is the central angle, where is the angle on the circumference? Because every picture or every figure is different. So you need to be very, very careful on that. Clear, sir? Clear, everyone? Chalo, next one. I have another such question. Again, a very popular popular type question. Very much repeated, these figures. Sir, they are saying this is 54 degrees and they are asking PRQ. Meaning this angle, sir. Again, 10-seconder if you know how to solve. Why? Sir, if I take this, the whole thing as my arc, can I say this is your central angle? Central angle will be 360 degree minus 54 degrees, this one. So this will be 306 degrees. So this angle will be half of that, because central angle half is this. So 153 degrees is the correct answer. So option number 4. Option number 4, that is your correct answer, sir. You see, very, 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 very simple. Clear, sir? Nothing that is difficult over here. Nothing that is difficult over here. Chalo, let's do this. Chalo, please. Everyone, I'm giving you a minute's time. Jaldi banao, sir. Everybody, please do it very quick. Very, very quick. Speed is the name of the game. This year especially. Chalo, chalo, chalo. This is a very good question. Very, very good question. Draw the figure properly. Then only you can, you will be able to answer this. I got a question from someone. Abhidal, in that case, brother, you see, why I have taken the arc that way? Because if I take the arc that way, the angle that we need to find, it will come directly. If you take the arc other way, sir, you don't have a angle on the circumference. Abhidal, please listen to me, brother. If you take the arc this way, sorry. Question kaha tha? This one. Sir, if you take the arc this way, there is no angle on the circumference. No? So angle to get to this, I have taken the arc this way. Because that way I can get to the answer directly. That's all. Brother, always remember there is only one motivation while solving question. How to do it properly and quickly with minimum effort. So every approach kind of optimizes between that. So how to do it properly, correctly, but again with minimal effort. Chalo. Points, the 5 points lie in this order on a circle with center O. Chord TS is parallel to diameter PR. बाप रे सर, चलो बनाते हैं क्या दिया है सर. 1 is diameter, I know. So let me just draw the diameter. अच्छा, this is P. One side is P. So Q is here somewhere. Because P, Q, R, then S and T. So points are like this I've taken. Right? TS is parallel. TS is parallel to this. Okay, perfect. RQT. Acha, R is where? R is here. एक second. RQT, वही बोलो. RQP I have taken. Yes, now it's okay. So this angle is given. They are asking RTS. This angle. This angle. Got it. Chalo. So this is given to you. They are asking this angle, sir. RTS they are asking. No, no, not this angle. They are asking you to find this angle. They are asking you to find this angle, sir. Chalo, let's try to do this. Sir, this angle is given to you as 58 degrees. Correct? And this is diameter, remember. This is your diameter. Just a second. So if I join these 2 points, एक second. If I join these 2 points, acha, they have told us parallel now. Okay. Sir, that means this angle will be equal to this angle because it's a Z. देखो मैं भूल ही गया. I completely forgot about one information that was given. कि sir, TS is parallel to PR. भूल ही गया. And I'm thinking क्या कम है इधर. Sir, if whatever is this angle, this will be the same angle. So if this is X, this is X. Right? Now, sir. Just let me think for a second. If this is 58 degree, this is also 58 degree. Why, sir? On this same arc. You see, this is also circumference. This is also a point on circumference. 58, 58. And this angle is 90 degrees, sir. So X will be, very easily I can say, out of 180, 90 gone, 58 gone. So meaning 60, 32 degrees are remaining. So X is 32 degree, which is option number 4. Because if this is 32, then this is also 32 degrees. Everyone. You see whether this is clear or not. You see whether you guys are getting the hold of it or not. 29 somebody said. No, Akshay, 29 is not the answer, brother. 32 is. 32 is. Clear, everyone? Clear, everybody? Again, if you want me to repeat, you see, just a second, quick repetition. So if this is 58, this is also 58. I have drawn T and P. I've joined this. And so automatically this is 90 degree because this is a semicircular angle, half circle. So one triangle which is TPR. So whatever is this angle, same is this angle because of Z, the alternate angle. So if this is like how to find this X, total is 180, 90 and 58 gone. So remaining is 32, that is this angle. Whatever is this, same is this. Clear, everyone? Clear, everybody, sir? Tell me, everyone, whether this is 100% clear, yes or no, sir? Clear, everybody? 100% clear? So if it is clear, sir, then what I'll ask, this is one question which I'll give you as homework for today. I have given you one more as well. So these are the 2 questions. So I will start from this question tomorrow. This will be our starting question for tomorrow. So there are total 3 parts. This is just the first part of your circles. I hope you enjoyed the session. This was fruitful for each and every one of you guys. And I will again see you guys then tomorrow. Acha, one simple little thing. On YouTube, I'll again come back 5 o'clock today to discuss some very interesting questions of coordinate geometry. A little on the difficult side, little different. So 5 p.m. it will be a 40 minutes long session. So please feel free to join me on YouTube at 5 o'clock. So that will be 1 hour from now. So I'll send you guys the link on the Telegram group so that you guys can all join. So with that being said, thank you everyone for joining. I will again see you guys then, I guess, tomorrow. Till then, please take care. And if you want to join that class, the 5 p.m. class, feel free to do so. Thank you everyone. Take care. And I hope you enjoyed the session. If you have, for our platform students, please do rate the session before you guys leave. That's a request. And for our YouTube audience, please do hit the like if you have loved the session. And if you have any queries, any feedback, feel free to use the comment section for that. Thank you everyone. Take care and bye-bye from my end. Thank you so much.